Are you having issues with WooCommerce Square plugin and you're getting an error thrown when a customer tries to check out? Well, I've had this issue for a few of my clients, and in this video I'm going to cover how to fix that because it's kind of a weird issue and I haven't seen a solution anywhere else. So I've got a couple clients that are hosted on Easy WordPress, Easy WP, which is a Namecheap product, and they're using PHP 8. And I think that's part of what this issue is that this is calling a function. The WooCommerce Square plugin calls a function that doesn't exist in PHP 8, and I can't go back to an earlier version. So this is essentially the type of error that you're getting, the stack trace and everything, and I'll show you how to fix it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to access the files. So you could go into a file manager in a cPanel. You could go into, you could access it with SFTP, which is what I'm going to do in FileZilla. So I'm just going to connect to the server, and we've got our basic WordPress structure. So I'm going to go into WordPress content, plugins, and WooCommerce Square. From here we go to vendor, API-matic, core, source or SRC here. Then we'll go into utils, and then it says core helper file. So I use Notepad++ when I'm editing files like this. You could use whatever. You could use Notepad even. You can download it and open it with your regular Notepad app. But we'll just do view edit here, discard local file, and then it's going to open up here in Notepad. So I've got that here. And so here's our function. And if we go back to our kind of stack trace error, that's actually how I pulled that whole directory into this file here. We can see that where the issue is line 159. So I'll move my face over here. And line 159 is this function, PHP OS family, and then PHP uname R. And this is what's throwing the error. So this function, as far as I can tell, doesn't really do anything. It says if the value is unknown, it just returns empty. So all I'm going to do is down here, I'm just going to have it return an empty string. So I'll do the same thing, 2 single quotes, semicolon. We're going to save this. When I save it, I got to go back to FileZilla. We're going to upload the file. And now that's going to stop that error from being thrown. And that's an easy enough solution. Anytime that you update the WooCommerce Square plugin, it seems like you have to go back and do that until at least they fix this bug. It's been a long time now, and they have terrible reviews on the WordPress store, so I'm not expecting it to get fixed anytime soon. But I just wanted to share this solution for everyone out there so that you guys can also fix this issue if you're having it. Again, my name is Alex with Yellowstone Digital Media. Our company is based in Billings, Montana, and we do website design and digital marketing, mostly for local small businesses and nonprofits in our area, but happy to work with clients anywhere.